Hey DIYers! If you love tackling home projects, you need the right tools. Today, I'm showing you 14 must-have DIY hand tools from Amazon that'll boost efficiency and precision in your work. Let's get into it. Number 1. If you need a reliable mini bolt cutter for small but tough cutting jobs, the WorkPro 8 inches mini bolt cutter is a solid pick. It's built with drop-forged chrome molybdenum steel jaws that slice through steel wire, iron, copper, and even small bolts with ease. The powder-coated finish ensures durability, so you won't be replacing it anytime soon. Its classic lever fulcrum design gives you extra cutting power without requiring much effort, making it perfect for precision work. The ergonomic anti-slip grips keep your hands comfortable and secure, meaning less strain even during repeated use. Additionally, the built-in security lock provides convenience for storage and enhanced safety. Whether you're tackling DIY projects or quick repairs, this cutter delivers efficiency in a compact size. It's strong, comfortable to use, and designed to make cutting smooth and hassle-free, a handy tool to have in your kit. Number 2. If you've ever struggled with messy caulk lines or stubborn old sealant, the Always CT31 3-in-1 caulk tool is a total game changer. It's designed for easy handling with a soft grip and durable engineering plastic that feels comfortable even during long use. The stainless steel blade makes removing old caulk effortless. Just push or pull and it's gone. Once you've laid fresh caulk, the rotatable silicone triangle lets you shape perfect bead lines in narrow, medium, or wide sizes, so your finish looks clean and professional. For extra tidying up, the built-in plastic scraper helps remove leftover material with ease. Whether you're working with acrylic, latex, or silicone caulk, this tool is perfect for bathrooms, windows, and showers. No more messy, uneven finishes, just smooth, precise results every time. A must-have for DIYers and home improvement enthusiasts looking for efficiency and precision. Number 3. Getting precise measurements has never been easier with this multi-purpose laser-level tool. Whether you're hanging picture frames, installing cabinets, or setting tiles, this gadget ensures perfect alignment with a built-in cross-line laser. One simple slider button lets you switch between vertical, horizontal, or cross-line laser modes, making setup quick and frustration-free. Plus, the 3-pronged approach with a level, plumb, and 45-degree bubble helps you get the most accurate results every time. No more guessing or uneven placements. As a bonus, it comes with an 8-foot measuring tape featuring both imperial and metric markings, down to 1/32 inch and 1 mm for ultimate precision. Designed for ease of use and reliability, this tool is a must-have for anyone looking to tackle home projects with confidence. Say goodbye to crooked shelves and misaligned decor. This laser level keeps everything straight and flawless. Number 4. If you're ready to transform your space with a professional and seamless window film installation, the HTV-RONT Window Film Kit is here to help. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. A 5.5-inch felt squeegee that effortlessly smooths out water and air bubbles for a perfect finish, a 7-inch detachable ergonomic knife crafted for precise cutting and trimming, an extra replacement blade for convenience, and a 100 ml spray bottle that wets your glass surfaces with adjustable spurt settings. The spray bottle is designed with high-quality plastic, making it durable for daily use as you clean and wet your window surfaces. The detachable knife, complete with a protective cover, ensures safe and effortless handling while cutting your film accurately. Whether for car windows or home privacy films, this kit makes installation straightforward, efficient, and worry-free. Enjoy true ease and versatility as every step of your window tinting becomes precise and hassle-free. Number 5. Ever faced the challenge of fixing minor wall imperfections without the mess of traditional painting? The Sloproof refillable TouchUp paint pen is your go-to solution for quick, precise repairs. Fill it easily with your own matching latex wall paint to seamlessly blend scuffs, dings, or scratches in apartments, dorms, or homes. Its innovative design saves you time, eliminating the need for brushes or rollers, while ensuring a smooth, even finish every time. The Twist Control paint tip offers perfect paint flow, preventing drips and splatters, while the fine tip brush applicator allows you to reach even the most tricky corners. What's more, Its airtight, vacuum-sealed system keeps the paint fresh for up to 7 years, making it a long-lasting, eco-friendly tool for DIY projects. Reliable and user-friendly, this paint pen transforms minor touch-ups into professional-looking repairs with ease. It is ideal for anyone who values efficiency and precision in everyday home repairs. Number 6. If you love tackling projects around the house, you know having the right tools makes all the difference. The Highspec 54-piece Red Household Toolkit is perfect for any DIY enthusiast. This extensive set has everything you need, from a sturdy hammer and adjustable wrench to pliers, screwdrivers, and even a socket set for the trickier repairs. Designed to cover any task, whether you're assembling furniture, hanging pictures, or performing everyday maintenance, these tools are built to last. Their robust materials and non-slip grips ensure comfort and reliability during long projects, so you never have to worry about fatigue or frustration. The entire collection comes neatly organized in a portable storage case, making it easy to keep everything at hand, whether you're at home or working on a job on site. With this toolkit by your side, no repair is too big or small to handle. It truly is indispensable. Number 7. Looking for a demolition tool that takes the grunt work out of your projects? The Gutster 60 inches round-handled demolition bar is built for the toughest jobs, helping you remove flooring, subfloor, cabinets, drywall, and more without breaking a sweat. Made from high-strength steel, this lightweight wrecking bar delivers maximum leverage with its long handle and ergonomic design, so you can apply powerful force without straining your wrist or back. With added wheels, moving around and clearing away deck boards or roof sheathing becomes effortless. This versatile tool doubles as a pry bar, pallet buster, and demo bar, saving you time by eliminating the need to constantly switch tools. Industry feedback shows that it can save up to 70% of your time on demolition projects. Finally, a tool that channels all your energy where it's needed, making your work faster, safer, and more efficient. An essential addition for every builder. Number 8. This soldering iron kit is a game changer for anyone who loves to tinker, repair, or create. With a powerful 60-watt output and adjustable temperatures ranging from 392 to 842, it heats up in just 15 seconds thanks to its advanced ceramic heating core. The design includes an on and off switch that not only saves energy, but also ensures safe welding, while 4 ventilation holes keep the handle comfortable and cool during use. This kit has everything you need to start soldering right away. It comes with the soldering iron, a handy stand, a conventional sponge, 5 interchangeable solder tips, a fine 0.6mm solder wire, and even a tube of no-clean solder rosin flux paste. Whether you're fixing a circuit board, repairing appliances, making jewelry, or experimenting with DIY projects, this versatile soldering kit is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Number 9. Turn your smartphone into a powerful thermal imager with this easy USB-C plug-and-play device. It connects to your Android phone and immediately lets you view detailed thermal images without needing batteries or extra setup. With a 192 by 192 infrared resolution and a 12-micron pixel pitch sensor, it captures clear images to help you spot insulation gaps, water leaks, and even electrical hotspots. The wide 50-degree field of view makes it simple to scan entire rooms or hard-to-reach areas. Its broad temperature range, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures you can accurately diagnose HVAC issues, circuit board faults, and mechanical overheating. Compact and durable, this thermal camera is built for on-the-go professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. An iOS app is on the horizon, so soon everyone gets to experience a new level of troubleshooting and home improvement ease. Discover convenience and accuracy that will transform your repair and maintenance tasks. Number 10. Are you tired of struggling with dull, uncomfortable garden clippers that leave your hands sore? These Germany pruning shears are designed to work 3 times easier, offering a powerful 1-inch cut capacity in a tool that is both ergonomic and durable. Crafted from high-strength, rust-resistant steel, they maintain a razor-sharp edge even after prolonged use. Perfect for gardeners dealing with arthritis or weak hands, these snips provide a comfortable grip with their well-designed handle, reducing fatigue while delivering precise cuts. Whether you're trimming delicate houseplants, woody shrubs, or thick oak branches, these shears offer versatile functionality for every pruning task. Their robust construction ensures long-term performance, and the easy-to-use locking mechanism adds an extra layer of safety. Enjoy effortless gardening and streamline your yard work with this reliable tool built for tough jobs and everyday use. Experience the ultimate in precision and comfort, and effortlessly transform your garden care routine. Number 11. What if you could make your tile and glass cutting projects faster and more precise than ever before? The manual T-shaped tile and amp glass cutter turns renovating into a smooth, enjoyable experience. Its innovative liftable design and adjustable knife head let you make multiple, straight cuts with ease, ensuring flawless precision for every job. You can fine-tune the knife height and scale to suit any tile thickness, delivering professional results every time. The cutter snaps together with 1.05 meter guide rail segments, offering flexibility to handle tiles of any length, up to a maximum width of 35.4 inches and an overall length of 1.8 meters. 10 high-precision guide rail pulleys provide consistent accuracy even after heavy use, while mounting on a flat, sturdy surface maintains even cutting force. Designed for ease of assembly and durability, this cutter gives you the confidence to tackle DIY or home renovation projects quickly and efficiently. Number 12. Looking to refresh your home with a flawless, painterly touch? The Voomi 17 Piece Paint Roller Kit is your perfect partner. This all-in-one set brings together everything you need for professional quality results. The robust 9-inch paint roller frame and durable microfiber covers deliver an even finish without leaving lint behind, while the 4-inch mini roller is ideal for those hard-to-reach spaces. Designed with quality in mind, each component is built to last, ensuring reliability and ease of use. The kit includes a paint stick, can opener, a 2-inch paintbrush, a sturdy tray, and helpful extras like mask tape, dust sheets, and a sponge grinding block. With this comprehensive set, you'll save valuable time and money on every project, achieving smooth, beautiful walls in no time. Get ready to tackle your next home improvement project with confidence and creative flair. Transform your space with VOOMEY's high-quality, hassle-free painting experience today. Number 13. Looking for a versatile, all-in-one tool to handle everyday household repairs? The Saker 42-in-1 screwdriver set is your answer. It comes with a ratchet screwdriver featuring an ergonomic T-handle for a comfortable grip and effortless control. This comprehensive kit includes 8 long 45mm screwdriver heads and 32 short 25mm bits in a variety of styles, from Phillips and slotted to posy-driv and U-shaped. Whether you're assembling furniture, maintaining appliances, or repairing your bicycle, this set adapts to every task. The ratchet mechanism allows you to easily switch between forward, reverse, and lock modes, saving time and reducing frustration on every project. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and rugged S2 steel, the tools are built to resist frequent wear. Its strong magnetic design secures bits and screws firmly, so nothing is lost during work. Complete with a handy storage case, this set is ideal for both home and on-the-go repairs. Number 14. Looking for a tool set that can handle all your repair and improvement tasks with ease? The Eggoine 46 pieces 1/4 inch drive socket ratchet wrench set is engineered for precision and durability. Made from premium chrome vanadium steel alloy and finished with a mirror chrome plating, it offers excellent strength and long-lasting wear resistance. This extensive kit includes 21-bit sockets in various sizes and 13 metric sockets, all paired with a quick ratchet handle for fast, efficient work. It also comes with versatile multi-extension bars, such as a universal joint, different extension lengths, flexible extensions, sliding T-bars, a spinner handle, and a bit adapter to reach every corner. Whether you're working on home improvements, auto repairs, carpentry tasks, or DIY projects, this set is ideal. It arrives organized in a sturdy, blow-molded toolbox, ensuring you have the right tool at your fingertips whenever you need it for success.